What's the meaning of antenatal? Antenatal. 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 Antenatal.
Antenatal refers to the period of time before birth, specifically during pregnancy. It is a crucial time for both the mother and developing fetus, as it involves regular medical checkups and tests to monitor the health and well-being of both individuals. During antenatal care, healthcare professionals may provide advice on nutrition, exercise, and prenatal development, as well as identify and address any potential complications or risks. Proper antenatal care can help ensure a safe and healthy pregnancy and delivery, and can also have long-term effects on the health and development of the child.